How to buy Ishi token. So this token came under the symbol of Ishi. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 5 days ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 3 in the Ethereum section. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your BITGET wallet for that. Now from the top right corner, click here and select the Ethereum network. Now click on this plus icon and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token, but before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that warning. So if you are ready to go, just click here on this plus icon and now go back to your wallet and now keep searching until you find your token that you just added called Ishi. So after you find it, what you need to do, just keep searching. So after that, after you find it, now click on it and now click here on swap. Now switch from here. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you will be receive of that token. So after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Ishi token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.